raining really hard, and look what happened to my car. Perfect. I'm stopped here at a gas station and just waiting for AAA to help me fix my car because I have all my stuff in here. But the thing is, I don't know, I'm not that strong right now to replace my tire, so I'm still waiting. They said they're gonna see me at around like 10:40. I called AAA and they said 10:40, but they're not here yet. So I'm not sure of what time they're gonna be, and hoping that they're going to help me because I have my rehearsal at 3 o'clock in the morning and the simbang gabi at 5 o'clock. So I hope I'm gonna be able to fix this tonight. Thank goodness they arrived. Yep, finally they're here. I can go home now. Okay, we started fixing my car, and yeah, they have this automatic or whatever they call it, just to take the car on and the tire off. I'm just waiting for it to be done. Wow, that's really quick. That is very handy. I just wish that I had those kind of equipment to fix my car on my tire in case that my car breaks down. No, just the spare tire is flat. That is just so great. My spare tire is flat and I don't know what to do now. Look what they have it. It's there. Huh? Yeah, it's inflating the tire. It's been so long since I last used it, so